So I'm building an app, and I'm not gonna say what it is, but man, this shit is fucking hard, bro. Like I started, I'm not gonna say what it is. It's a competitor to not even there's nothing like it, right? So it's kind of a I would essentially say it's definitely like the Uber of, or like the Amazon of, or like the Airbnb of, something like that. But the logic on this is fucking insane, bro. So currently it's running off of Lovable, and then I have it connected to Superbase, and then I'm basically rendering the code. It's like a 80-20 split where I basically tell it to do something, it fucks up a couple times, and then I go in and then I change it myself to what I actually want. And I've noticed that using Lovable is like decent if you want to get like an MVP up, but man, if you want to actually do like the backend stuff correctly, like you gotta code this shit yourself, bro. Like I've had to go back multiple times and adjust the code myself, to like correct it. You know what I mean? And Lovable's great, and but having to basically replicating. I'm trying to replicate Airbnb into something else. That's basically what I'm trying to do with Lovable. And for the most part, it can build like a nice layout and pages and stuff, but it can't handle the backend, like the database stuff, the actual RLS policies, the logic behind everything, the common sense things that have to happen, the connections between my Stripe account, right, as well as like all the other vendor accounts, things like that. Like I can't just do that really easily, right? I gotta go in and do that myself. But yeah, man, this shit's fucking hard. Like I think the logic behind all this is like really insane, and I don't think people. Yeah, I mean the point of like Airbnb and Amazon and all those apps is that they're supposed to be easy to use, right? That's the whole point of it, right? But man, I don't think enough people appreciate how much fucking work and code actually goes into the back end of it.